So folks, I'm sure by now you've heard that this is a really big week at the Supreme Court with rulings all over the place and many serious issues. Earlier this week, I believe it was Monday, the Supreme Court ruled that race cannot be a determining factor in admitting students. Where's this going to lead? I personally believe it's going to lead to a more colorblind society, because in order to truly be a colorblind society, we cannot look at race at all for any reason at all. The more we think about it, the more it's going to be in the back of our heads. And are there bad things that are going to come out of this? Yeah, probably. I mean, a whole lot more Asian students are going to end up going to college. And you know how Asians are. I certainly do. Half of college towns might end up Asian, and then, if they're Asian students of immigrant parents, holy shit, they're going to be cheap, and all those college towns are going to go out of business. Just saying. But on a more serious note, I do believe that this will make a more fair society, because we can't just judge somebody based on race. And in order to just move past all the bad history and move into a post-racial mindset, we need to completely forget about race. College students should be admitted based on their qualifications. Tuesday of this week, there was a ruling that what the hell was it called? I don't know, something about voting. And states that have a history of voter discrimination, they now get a pass when it comes to federal oversight on possible voter intimidation and such. I think this particular ruling is going to be bad overall, because you know how politics are. Well, I certainly do. And there will be people who would take advantage of minority voters or intimidate them in order to get a political result. I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but it increases the risk of it happening. Overall, I'd say this is a bad ruling, because it will open the doors to, like I said, mischief and a whole lot of other problems. It's just drag on into courts. It's just going to be a pain in the ass, and taxpayers are ultimately going to have to pay the price. And third, today, Wednesday, June 26, the Supreme Court ruled that DOMA is discriminating against gays in this country. So, that portion of the law has been struck down, as it should. As I've said many times before, in fact, in one of my videos, I've said that homosexuals will now be offered equal, benefits, spousal stuff, whatever. They could even actually get divorced now. Gay divorce. Wow, I'd like to see that in a gay divorce court television show of some sort. That'd be fucking hilarious. The second ruling with Prop 8. I understand that they have no standing. Well, the guys who brought the suit, they have no standing for the appeal. So it's just going to go back to the lower court ruling, and it's only going to stand in California where the suit was brought. And because of such a ruling that, there's no standing for the suit or the appeal, it's not going to be a national policy. They made the right call, but it's the call that it's very hard to explain. It's not an activist decision. But in a situation like this, I wouldn't have minded an activist ruling to, make this decision more broad, because the appellate court did say it violated the Constitution. And that should apply for the whole country and not just California. Well, that's just my thoughts. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, hit the like button. Favorite it if you really liked it. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care, folks.